We put people first, and we build dreams together. We advocate green environmental protection and craftsmanship and innovation. We are Segotep. Segotep, first established in 2003, with its headquarters in Huizhou, Guangdong, is specialized in computer and AI server accessories, including chassis, power supply units, and cooling solutions. Segotep covers from R&D and intelligent manufacturing, branding and sales, to customer management. Segotep is now one of the top 3 brands of PSU, chassis, and cooler in China. Segotep introduced a cooperative and efficient management team and an MES intelligence system for a comprehensive control of production, shipping, and equipment status. Segotep now enjoys strong R&D strength. Its laboratory is capable of proceeding climate reliability test, power loop analysis, EMI test, salt spray test, vertical and horizontal vibration test, insertion cycle test, noise test, high and low temperature test, and other functional tests. Our professional R&D teams have made Segotep a trend leader with its up-to-date products. Segotep is equipped with efficient and intelligent automated production lines, consisting of automatic irregular component, pick-and-place machines, AOI inspection, intelligent lead-free wave soldering, automatic online PCB clearing, intelligent glue dispensing and coating, automatic cable connectivity test, automatic aging, automatic safety test, intelligent bagging and automatic film packaging, etc. Production, testing, and assembly are all completed automatically online. Products of Segotep are tested with standards of ISO 9001, FCC, CE, GS, CB, CCC, UK, CTU VUS, KC, and KCC, among other standards, to ensure all our products are of the highest quality. Segotep insists providing customers with more values during their growth in the long term. Adhering to the concept of excellent production, Segotep is committed to introducing solutions featuring prime power supply units that consume less energy as part of its efforts to build a greener planet. Great power supply, created by Segotep. Segotep has become a leading brand in China's power supply industry. Its share of high-tier PSUs in the market is at the top of the list. At the same time, Segotep also ventures into server PSUs in artificial intelligence, 5G communication, IDC and IPC, photovoltaic and energy storage industries. All its excellent products have been well received by users. Segotep's stylish and exquisite chassis have been the first choice for users. As the computer industry is developing rapidly, Segotep keeps delivering new cooling solutions to the market, including brilliant and effective AIO liquid coolers, as well as quiet and stable air coolers. Segotep products have been popular among users. Segotep's rich product portfolio has been serving high-level personal and group users, esports venues, and many enterprises. It is Segotep's commitment to grow together with its customers. Segotep maintains close cooperation with upstream companies, including Intel and NVIDIA, as well as with top suppliers like Ansem, Infineon, NXP, China Resources, etc. Our products sell well in 52 countries and regions worldwide now, winning recognition and praise from its partners and end users. Segotep's perfect post-sale system ensures customers to use the products with ease, with our thoughtful and professional service. More than 20 years of journey has won Segotep the names of quality Chinese products, confident homemade products, and top producer of 80+ gold PSUs. All these honors have been the power for Segotep to forge ahead. Accumulate steadily. Move forward steadily. Going forward, Segotep will commit itself to the sustainable development of green energy and create greater value for customers. Smart products by Segotep. Excellent experience with Segotep.